Hey everybody, Makeupbyjalesse here. Welcome back to my channel. Before anything, make sure you hit that subscribe button and thumbs up. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Janet Collection Nala Tress, their Mystic Braid, their Crochet pre-looped Mystic Braid, and this is a 24-inch in the color 1B27. So let's just get right into it. So Janet Collection sent me this hair, so this is a sponsored video. So before we get started on the braids, this is my braiding method. This is one of my braiding methods. If you've seen my videos before, which I will link in the description box, I tend to keep the same braid pattern, but this one is a bit different, so I wanted to break it down and show you guys how I do this form of braid pattern. I don't think this is my favorite form of braid pattern because I felt like it wasn't as tight as I wanted it to be, as like I used to do it, but it'll do. So what you want to do is you just want to part some sections to your head, and of course add some edge control or whatever product you want to do to secure those edges and get these braids as neat as possible. So I saw this method and I was like, okay, I'm going to decide to do it because I kind of feel like it was a bit quicker than what I normally do. So what I do is just braid a little plait, and you want to braid the plait just like halfway. You don't even have to braid the whole thing. You can stop like right here where I'm at. You don't have to braid it all the way down. And then I'm going to take the next section and do the same thing. But when I do that, I'm going to add that first braid and connect it into the second braid, as you will see me doing right here. Just like that. And I'm just going to connect the braid all the way down, and I'm going to do that to the whole top front of my hair. So with another method, before I usually use the rubber bands, or I'll braid little plaits in the front of my hair and then just connect them, like kind of cornrow them all together. But this is actually the first time I'm doing this. And like I said, not to sound like a broken record, I didn't really like this method because by the time I started crocheting the braids in, it started loosening really bad, and I did not like that. So like again, this is optional. You can head to another one of my videos, like I said, that I'll put in the description box, and you can do that braid pattern method, which is best for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do this side of the this side of my head, and then I'll come right back. Once everything is braided down, what I did in the back is I just connected all of my hair and attached it to a cornrow in the back, and then I just sewed the braids to my head to make them not move anywhere. And that is pretty much the braid down for this method. Now again, this is the Janet Collection Nala Tress Mystic Braids. They're Mystic Locks, And I kind of wonder, like, what's the difference? I guess maybe the curly ends or the texture was a light of like a bit of a rougher texture. But I like that, again, the loops were pretty big and I didn't have to struggle this time. If you've been following me from the first time, you know the first video I ever did with this hair, I struggled really bad, but I think they're listening to us, you guys. They're hearing us and they're seeing that these loops need to be bigger and easier for us to pull this hair through. So I'm glad that they're paying attention and they're doing that for us. It comes in different colors: 1B, 2, 4, 27, 30, 6, 13, burgundy, 1B 27, which is what I have, 1B 30, and 1B burgundy. So they're pretty long. They came down like almost to my hip. 24 inches, not that bad. And in this video I used, drum roll please, because I know I will always get this question because a lot of you guys do not pay attention to the video. I use 7 packs for this hairstyle, and a lot of times I get asked how many strands are in each pack. To be honest with you, it all varies depending on, I guess, how much the company puts in the packs. I believe there were like 10 to 12 in the packs that I had. I want to say like 10 to 12. So 10 to 12 strands, and I use 7 packs for this hair style. So again, the crochet method is pretty simple once you get used to it. Of course, you're just putting the hook through your braids, the desired part where you want to put it, and just loop it all the way through, which is pretty easy once you get it. If you don't get it, just allow yourself some time and patience to keep practicing so you can get it. We all out here just trying to save coins and do our hair ourselves. It can be very challenging at times, especially when you get on YouTube and you see so many, hair bloggers make it look so easy and so simple, but sometimes it's just not that easy and it's not that simple, and it takes a lot of our time, stress, and tears. But once you get the hang of it, you are good to go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just finish off the rest of the locks. This is my first time kind of doing like some color. I'm a sucker for 1B, a sucker for black. I do not like to stray too much away from color, so this was definitely a struggle for me adjusting to the color, but at the end it turned out better than I expected. So I did actually like this color on me. But again, they have multiple colors. I'm coming to the top, I'm already starting to see that this middle part is not it. I will definitely have to transition to a side part, but the thing about it is that I like that you can actually do that. You can switch to a middle part, a side part, you can put them up and down and still have that parting effect. That, you know, but this is what I was talking about with this method. It started loosening up, and that's what I did not like. So next time I think I will try to do it the same way I normally do it, which is in my previous videos. But hey, you live and you learn. It was worth a try. But this color is scaring me. The more that's in my head, the more scarier it gets. But I'm going to trust the process and continue to pull through. But anyways, yeah, so the texture of this hair, I'm trying to go through anything that I feel like you guys are going to ask me, any questions you guys are going to ask me, because I know there's going to be some. The texture was a bit rough, but this hair pretty much is rough, so it's really not that bad. So once you do your baby hair, your makeup, you are good to go. This color is actually bomb. I'm in love with the color. I was not expecting it to look this good, but it did. And this is the final look. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, don't hesitate to comment, because I will definitely respond. And I'll put all the information of where you can get the hair and the links to everything, the links to my previous videos, all in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you and have an awesome day.